Yo, okay. Pre-sale's almost over. Got about 2 days left. So here's a real quick video on Bunny's Mound. So why it's good. Well, Bunny's backed by big players including Binance, and also the last few pre-sales from Bunny have always profit. So they've had 2 flash loan attacks in the past month or two. I'm sure it's from them rushing the codes to bring new apps out. Not too worried about it. Okay, so what is the Mound? Pretty much it's a token that has a share of all the Bunny ecosystem. You're earning from everything Bunny now and future projects, right? So that includes Pancake Bunny on the Binance chain, Poly Bunny, and the most recent Qubit, right? Qubit is kind of like Aave. It's a lending platform. Okay, so what's the purpose of the Mound, right? They're saying it's to drive ecosystem recovery. They're saying they're gonna pump the whole Bunny ecosystem, pretty much. Right here, maximize value to the Pancake Bunny community, both immediate and long term. And here the listing where the value is coming from. So first up's expansion to Polygon and other chains. Okay, here it is, lending and utility swapping. So that's the talking about Qubit. Thirdly, something about multiplexer inverse leverage. Don't know what the fuck that is. And this is what goes in the Mound vote. Millions of Bunny, millions of Bunny, millions of QBT, farming shares, farming returns, farming fees. Alright, that's pretty much it for the Mound token. Okay, and real quick, this is how you buy it. Go to Pancake and swap something for Bunny. You need to have MetaMask with Binance already set up. Right, if you don't know how, I don't have time to explain it, so just maybe YouTube it. Just get some Bunny tokens. Next we'll go to MND vote.mound.finance. I'll have the link in the description. And then just approve and buy. Swap and confirm. And we are done. Here's the contribution. And I have 2 days left. We're not getting 1.5 and 1.25 from staking early, but it doesn't matter because we were farming other shit the last month. And that's pretty much it. Now we wait 2 more days and hopefully it times 3 times 4 off the bat, and maybe we can dump or hold whatever we want.